So now I'm going to show you how to do a basic trademark search. This should not replace a comprehensive search, but for those of us who are looking into using a name or using a name and you just want to see where you stand, this is a great place to go. It's a free resource. It's available to the public, and it only really takes a few minutes for you to go through the list. Um, so let's get started. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to uspto.gov, and you would be on this page right here. You go to trademarks, and then you would go to select ID manual first. Now, there's two parts to searching for trademarks. The first thing you want to consider is the name that you're using. And then the second thing that you want to consider is how are you using this name? What class of goods and services would you be under? So trademarks, there's 45 classes of goods and services, and you need to identify where you belong. So for example, if I want to start a business and I want to sell lip gloss and I want to name it Pretty Girl Privilege, this is something that I want to do, and I just want to see, do I have a chance? Should I move forward with this name, or should I change my name? So you can start here. Trying to figure out what class you belong in, because we know the name. So I can basically just write a description of what class or goods and services I am. So I'm selling lip gloss. Really simple. And I want to try to figure out where I belong. So these are the results. You can use these results to kind of identify where you belong as far as classes. So based on these results, I can tell that I'm going to be in class 3, which is cosmetics and cleaning preparations. So with that information, now I'm in class 3. I know I'm going to do lip gloss. I know my name. Now I can go to the search, and based on that information, I can do my quick search. So you can go backwards, and then you can go to search trademarks. And then you go search our trademark database, basic search. I hope that wasn't too fast. But I can type in pretty privilege, and these are my results for pretty privilege. Oh, I was supposed to do pretty girl privilege, but I can also type pretty privilege. Let me fix that. So it looks like somebody is using it, but that's not the end, because you want to see how they're what area of goods and services they're using this name in. So let me explain what this is. These are the results that came up when I typed in Pretty Girl Privilege in the USPTO database. So in the USPTO database, it includes registered trademarks and applications. So the serial number is basically the application number. Everybody that applies gets an application number, a serial number. The registration number means that this mark has been through the entire process and it's been approved and it is a registered trademark. So for our purposes, you want to go through everything on the list, because for me, everything that is up here has come before me because I'm thinking about doing my business. So I want to look and see, are they using it the same way I'm using it? This is for photography, clothing design, salon, beauty salons. And then I see Pretty Girl Privilege, and would you look at that? They are selling lip balms, um, lip glosses, So just based on that, and this is registered, just based on that, Pretty Girl Privilege, they're using it for the same thing. Maybe I should pick another name. Okay? I don't need a more comprehensive search to tell me what I already see, because this is going to come up and maybe some more stuff. So I could stop here, and just choose another name, or I could hire an attorney to do more investigating. But this is pretty much where you can start, and you can do this for free. I think I've been talking for 4 minutes, under 5 minutes. And I did this really quick. And this is some good information. It's something that you can use. Like I said, it's free. Everybody that registers for a trademark, their stuff is going to come up. No one is exempt. Um, and just for fun, you can also search like Fenty. Like I said, everybody that wants to get a trademark registered, they have to apply. There's no exemptions. If you're a celebrity, if you're a small business, it doesn't matter. So we can actually look at some of these things. See, she filed a while ago. All the information is here about the marks. So if you want to use Fenty, if you've never heard of Fenty and this is just something that you want to use because it's, you know, it's your pet's name and you want to name something after your pet, you know, you can go here and you can see, oh, I probably shouldn't be using this name for sunglasses, you know. Maybe I could use it for coffee mugs, I don't know. But this is, again, this is a basic search, and it really only scratches the surface, but it's free and it's definitely somewhere that you should start. So there it is.